Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global Amazing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about another secret website where you can sell your art and design online and can make money online as a print-on-demand seller, as an artist, as a creative person. So let's talk about that secret website in a series of secret websites, and make sure to check it out, the complete playlist of the secret website. I'm going to leave them in the card section, which contains the different episodes of different websites which can help you to make more money online. Let's get straight into today's video. Before we part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources, the link are in the description box below. Simply head over to globalcreative.com, check out all the freebies that we have, make sure to download it and also check it out each month because we'll be adding each month. Let's talk about that secret website. Who would be heard about it, or maybe not. Let's see who have heard about it. Do let me know if you have heard about it. You as an artist, a print-on-demand seller, can utilize this platform, and I'm gonna be also talking about one unique thing about this platform because I feel like this thing is very unique in this website, which is not there in any other print-on-demand website, and that makes this complete print-on-demand website a little bit more different from the others. And I would choose this one above any other print-on-demand website because of this one major factor. So hear me out, what's that major factor and what this website is all about and how you can make money. And stick with me guys and grab your coffee. This is not that. Grab your coffee and have some chips, and let's get straight with today's episode of the secret website. I hope you will really find it useful. And now, without further ado, let me talk about this print-on-demand website because you would be thinking, what is this website? What is this website? Just tell me, just tell me. Okay, this website is Tpop. Now, it's not tpop.com. I'm going to leave the link of this website in the description box below so you guys can click on that link and can check it out. And let's talk about what is that? The products. Discover our great products available in print-on-demand. With a platform, you can create your own branded products, adorn with your own beautiful visuals in a matter of minutes, and then put them up for sale on your shop. So this is an amazing. Now, one thing you would be thinking, is this actually a marketplace to sell your work, or is this another printiful, good and alternative? Well, it's another printiful, good and alternative. There is no marketplace, like you can't sell on this website. You can integrate this website with the various integrations they have. You can integrate with the Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, or even you can just directly order your products from this website and can sell physically in your location, or physically, or maybe virtually online, whatever you want to do with that. But you can also order in bulk. So that's the thing. Let's talk about what are the products you can sell and what was one unique thing about our website that I talk in the beginning of this video that makes this website unique about in itself. Let me talk about that. Before that, I'm going to talk about the products and different things regarding it. You wish to launch your product, that's a wonderful idea. We are going to help you. About the products, what you can sell. The products catalog overview, which includes the t-shirts, different kinds of t-shirts, men, women, both, hoodie, dress, aluminum bottle, tank tops, tote bags, sweatshirts, metal and ceramic mugs, cushion and cushion covers, baby bibs and one sizes, and so much more. Like, they have a multiple different products which you can sell, which is a great option. Now, talking about the shipping, how the shipping actually works. But before the shipping guys, I want to talk about where this website is located and who these people are, because that's really important. That will going to determine the shipping and all. So about us, well, I might as well tell you right now that it's it. We love you guys. Yes, we do. We have to tell you that it's our thing at Tpop to love our users. Who we are. Tpop is located in France, so it's a European brand, okay? In the south where it's hot, we say that, but in fact the two founders, Mary and Julian, came from the north of France, so no jokes about the weather, okay? Storage, shipping, printing and application, development, everything is done in one house. We are a team of enthusiasts we never hesitate to sing a little ritual song before packaging your products. I hear they are even kissing them. So that's awesome. Like, I really love the way they have written about their section about them, which I really like, kind of like a cheesy and funny kind of thing, introducing themselves in a really fun way, which is really amazing. I think that this is the number one point we can take it from, that if we are writing about a section on our website, then we can take a little bit funny route to introduce ourselves on our website, so that the viewer, the reader, when they're gonna read it, they'll gonna feel a little bit more funny, a little bit more smiley. They would have a smile on their face when they're gonna read about a section. So I think we can take this small sneaky tactic from this website and introduce in our website as well. Now let's talk about the printing and shipping options. Based in the France, so obviously the rest part of the world we're going to get some delay in the shipping, but I'm gonna tell you exactly how much is that. Orders are printed in France and take 2 to 4 days before they are ready to ship. From there, orders within France arrive in 2 to 3 working days, the rest of the Europe in 3 to 7 days, and international orders in 5 to 10 days. Shipping rates are weight based, which you can dig into their shipping page. So this is a little bit about the shipping, guys. You'll very well know if you're based in France, if you're based in Europe, or if you're based in internationally, how it will going to vary from each and individual point of view. Okay, let's talk about the printing options. Printing options: direct to garment for cotton apparels and sublimation dye for polyester and accessories. They have the unique features, the white label customer experience with fully customizable packing slips, which is awesome. Plus eco-friendly products. Guys, my secret is out. That was this thing that I was talking about. Printing and packaging recommended for selling within Europe or anyone looking for quality print-on-demand company with an ethical and eco-friendly supply chain and a business practice. So Depop is a print-on-demand company based in Europe that focuses on apparel and accessories. Okay, when customers receive your order, everything from the packaging to the packing slip will bear your brand. That's awesome. White label or private label, you can say. With a monthly sales volume of 100, you can add your brand to the inside labels of your products for €2. So this is about the printing and shipping. Now let's talk about that one unique thing which I'm going to cover over here, which really makes this print-on-demand website unique from other one. Green print on demand. Well, when you're gonna visit this website, just gonna scroll down at the footer area of the website, you're gonna see one option as a green print on demand. That was really a catchy thing. And since I am an environment lover, you guys already know that. I have made a video about the natural lover. If you want to check that, you're gonna check in the description. I'm gonna leave them in the description box below. But this thing is unique about them. That this is a green print on demand. Okay, so why it's called as a green print on demand? Print on demand is great. Eco-responsible print on demand is better. Yeah. Preserving the environment is a concern for many. Depop has chosen to put ecologically at the heart of its print on demand activity. This is why we strive to respect an ecological approach for each of the different stages of our work: organic and for eco-responsible goods, eco-certified inks, plastic-free packaging, which is awesome thing, guys. If you are a person or if you're a company who favor more of the eco-friendly approach to the things of selling the products, then this website is exactly for you. And this is the number one major factor which outreach or which outweigh every other print-on-demand website out there. Even if I look for the Printful or the Printify, I'm going to choose this one because this one has this unique facility of eco-friendly approach, because environment concern and protection of the environment is our concern, and we need to do that. It's our responsibility as a human. Okay, so what does this really mean in practice? How do they do it? We work mainly with the textile companies committed to an ecological approach, respectful of the environment and human work. Of course, textile do not do everything on a garment. What about the ink? Your visuals come to life with 100% eco-certified water-based ink. Wow. So they use the water-based ink on the products, use a water-based ink, but what else? Like our inks therefore take care of your skin, banishing chemicals, but we also much more environment friendly, which is amazing. In addition to textile, Depop offers eco-friendly products. So from the printing till the shipping, till the packaging, till the delivery, everything is kind of like an eco-friendly approach. Their ink is like a water-based ink. The shipping materials are the plastic-free. All of the materials they're using, which is eco-friendly. So I think that this is an amazing factor. This is the major factor that outweighs this website over any other print-on-demand website. So just to recap for you guys, it's a print-on-demand website similar to the Printify. You can integrate with the Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, or you can even order them directly from their website. and you can sell them on your website. They're mainly focusing on the accessories and the apparels. They are eco-friendly approach to the system from the printing, shipping, packaging, delivery to the customer. So it's an awesome thing about it. They are mainly based in the France. So if you want an international order, it's a little bit more delay if you're based in the United States or some other countries. But I think that is an awesome website looking for an alternative for the Printful, Printify and Gooden. And you can integrate with the Shopify. Like if you're selling your work or your artworks onto the Shopify, then very well consider this website, because it will really going to help you get your products in front of your customer. Their packaging, delivery and everything, I'm going to leave them in the description box so you can check their website and can read much more about in depth. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful and enjoyable. I do also enjoy while making such videos, because it's really fun to do the research and to come across the new websites, new tools, and to just introduce you to these things with you in this videos. I hope you really find it useful and enjoyable. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. If you have anything you want to say, let me know in the comment section below. And thank you so much. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.